Take a look at this gorgeous, beautiful basil in my garden that I've been growing. It's the large leaf one. Absolutely can't wait till it grows a little bit more, and I'm going to cook with it, make pesto and all sorts of things. But did you know that basil is also used for stomach spasms, loss of appetite, intestinal gas, kidney conditions, fluid retention, head colds, warts and warm infections? Wow. And basil tea also can help support your liver by promoting a real proper function and detoxification process. It's an antioxidant content that can help protect against any damage caused by toxic compounds like alcohol or drugs. The next time you look at basil, you'll look at it differently. Isn't it gorgeous?